Here is the DIY vertical picket pedestrian gate kit. Gate frames. 65 by 16 mm slats, 16 mm long Tek screws, 65 by 16 mm plastic caps, handles, locks, 7 keys. Unpack the gate frames first. Identify the lock side frame and hinges side frame. Also, the top and bottom U-channels beams and covers, frame screws and top caps, T's profile gate stopper, and its metal screws. Measure if the gate beam's length is what we want. To make a 1040 mm wide gate, we need to cut the beams to 1035 mm long. But we need to cut the beam's cover together. Now it's the right length we need. Pre-drill the bolt flute with a drill bit to make sure the frame screws will not snap. Peel off the strip cover and the plastic wrapping located on the top side of the gate by referring to the position of the handle and locking cylinders. Mark the top side. The 16 mm side should be the facing side of the gate so that the slats will flash with the gate vertical frame. Lay lock side frame and make sure the 16 mm side faces downwards. Also put on your right hand side on the table. Lay the hinges side frame to your left hand side. Make sure the 16 mm side facing down. Slide in the U-channel beam. Make sure the open side is facing up. Now we are ready to fix the frames together. We can just fix 1 out of 4 screws at each corner. Please screw in very carefully. Make sure your machine is steady and slow. Rate check the gate frame width before putting in all of the rest screws. Also check if the lock side is what you need. Now we can complete all the gate frame screws. Move the gate frame away. Make some space to lay the slats. Only need to peel off the plastic on one side and put the gate frame on the top. Clamp one straight material at the top end of the gate. Push all slats and frame up against the material. Use 10 mm packers to evenly space all the slats and rayline up all the slats tops and frame tops. Start fixing the 16 mm Tek screws. Blow out all the metal dust. You can cut the strip cover about 10 mm shorter if it's hard to put in. If some part of the strip cover is not clicked in very tightly, please use a plier to twist the legs. Push one end of the cover inside of the frame. Gently bend the middle part to insert the other end into the frame. Pull out all of the packers. Now you should have finished the whole gate structure. We put the gate back to the table to show you how to install the lock. The handle with 2 small round holes will be installed at the back of the gate. The handle's direction can be changed by undoing the screws at the back of the cover. But we keep it in the original position in this video. Also, the lock latch's direction can be changed as well. But now we just keep it in the original position. Check the lock body position. Put the lock cylinder in. Use the shorter bolt to fix the cylinder. Install the extension bolts at the front handle's cover and undo the threaded bolt. Cut the steel rod about 5 mm off and put inside of the lock handle. Put the thread bolt back in and tighten the bolts. Make sure the cover is plumbed. And check the latches are smoothly operated. Pre-drill holes before installing the screws for the latches cover. The drill bit we used here is 7/64. Rate check if the keys can be easily operated. Final step. Put on all the 65x16 plastic caps and frames caps. All done. Thanks for watching.